Hello, I'm Leighton from Hoyzone.com, and today I'm going to show you everything that's included in the box when you buy a Classic Lite system from Hoyzone. The Classic Lite is the lightest system available from InMotion. It is ideal for mobile and light duty work and comes in 1, 2, or 3 motion. This is only a single speed system. If you're interested in a 2-speed system, then check out InMotion's Classic and K series that you can buy from Hoyzone.com. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So on top we have a user manual. I would definitely recommend reading this before you start wiring up or setting up your system. A lot of good info in this user manual. Let's lay this off to the side. And let's take out the batteries first. These are the batteries that come included. These will power your 2 transmitters that come in the box. These are just a standard AA. One thing important to note is that you cannot use rechargeable batteries in this system. It has to be just standard AA's, not rechargeable AA's. Right here, this is the receiving unit. This is what receives the signals from your transmitter. Lay that off the side. And also, this system comes with 2 extra fuses. And these fuses are just extra. These go into the receiver. All the fuses that are needed for the receiver to run are already installed. These are only extra. These are spares. You do not need to install these out of the box. And here's 1 transmitter. And here's the other transmitter. So let's lay this box and everything off to the side, and let's talk about the receiver next. So here we have the receiving unit. The housing is made of a heavy-duty hardened plastic with an IP65 rating. The receiver has 4 machine screws on the back that make it easy to mount to a control panel. These screws also have rubberized legs that ensure that the receiving unit will not be damaged if the system that it is mounted to should happen to come to a sudden stop. A wiring diagram is on the front of the receiving unit that shows how to wire it to the lifting system that you have. Also, the standard voltage that it comes in is 110 volts, but if you need to, you can choose a different voltage configuration from Hoyzone.com. This is the transmitter. Every Classic Lite system comes with 2 transmitters for dual operator use. The transmitter housing is made of the same heavy-duty hardened plastic as the receiver. On the back of the transmitter is a flathead screw for securing the battery cover. You can see on the front here we have 4 buttons because this is a 1-motion transmitter. A 1-motion means that you can use the transmitter to control up and down, which would typically be used to control a hoist. If you get the 2-motion configuration, it will have an up and down and an east and west. So it'll have 4 black buttons. And the up and down and east and west 2-motion would typically be used to control a hoist and also a trolley, a motorized trolley. If you get the 3-motion, you'll have 6 of these black buttons, and that would be up and down, east and west, and north and south. And that would be used to control a bridge crane, a motorized bridge crane, and a trolley, and a hoist. So you can get whatever configuration you need, however many motions you need, from Hoyzone.com. The size of this remote is really, really nice. For a comparison, this is an iPhone 7. and it's almost the same size, so this remote can easily fit in your pocket. Also, you'll see that it has a little lanyard installed out of the box, which ensures that you won't damage your transmitter from letting it fall. So that's very convenient. If you're interested in purchasing one of these or need any other kind of accessory for your lifting system, check out hoizone.com. We'll have a link down in the description.